hard to find anybody in BC that supports the HST, or so you might think, but they are there, and there are many of them. In addition to BC's Finance Minister, other experts who make looking at numbers their profession are stepping forward and praising the proposed and impending tax. While accountants and economists acknowledge that the government may have done a poor job of selling the HST, they say in the long run, you will be better off with it than without it.
She's not rallying or hitting the campaign trail, but tax accountant Charlotte Hogarth is one of a number of people who support the HST.
People don't like change, but in the end, it is going to make life a lot simpler.
Not exactly a license to print money, but accountants say businesses will benefit when the new tax is introduced on July the 1st.
Administratively, there's going to be $1 billion savings, and those savings have been translated already into savings on personal tax and corporate tax.
The government predicts cities and towns on North Vancouver Island, which rely on logging or mining, will see an extra 7% in their bank account. A boost to industries that have been hard hit during the economic slowdown.
So when you start seeing employers around the province who are telling us that this actually means that they're going to be able to keep workers that they've got, they're going to be able to hire new workers in the future, and that's in all sectors, whether it's the forest sector or the film industry, the technology sector. So it's really about jobs and creating a stronger economy.
And BC's Finance Minister isn't the only person singing the praises of the HST. Economists say while the government has done a lousy job of explaining the benefits of the new tax, they say HST is more efficient.
When economists talk about the efficiency of a tax, what we mean is, can we raise the same amount of taxes in a way that would hurt people less? And when we look at the question of how to do that, then when it comes to consumption taxes, the broader the tax base, the more efficient is that tax.
Economists have a saying, the only good tax is an old tax, one that everyone is used to. And they say if you want to see something positive about the HST, you simply need to look 20 years down the road, because every dollar of the HST that business invests, they will get back. And they say that means British Columbia will be more attractive to new investment. Colin Hansen says following a conversation with a film producer today, that is already happening.
Down in Los Angeles, pitching new business to come to BC, and he said that the fact that we're getting rid of the PST is a big factor for their ability to attract those film productions to British Columbia.
The drama in all this tax talk, though, is whether taxpayers will actually buy into that argument.
Stephen Andrew joins us now with more on the story. Stephen, does the Campbell government think it's done a bad job of selling the HST and communicating the benefits, or has it really let the opponents seize the agenda?
Well, Hudson, Colin Hansen told us today he thinks it's misinformation and fear that's feeding that opposition. The government says it knew it would have a problem selling the tax to British Columbians, and it would be a political challenge, but it may have a problem turning that public opinion. When we called today asking for a list of people who supported the tax in Victoria, the communication branch couldn't give us one name of someone in Victoria supporting the HST. They said they'd get back to us. Now, that was 4 or 5 hours ago, and, well, we're still waiting.
All right, and they're welcome to give us a call.
They certainly are.
All right, Stephen, thank you.
You're welcome.